Right, those are the voices that played out just about an hour and a half back as President Obama gave his victory speech and Mitt Romney conceded defeat. Meantime, here in India, a lot of corporate leaders have been reacting to the Obama victory, hoping that India-US ties will continue to strengthen. And remember, under Obama, India-US ties have been pretty strong. President Obama himself has visited, Timothy Geithner has visited a couple of times, Ben Bernanke has visited. So perhaps in that sense, the hope that ties between India and the US will continue to strengthen is a realistic one. Here are some big corporate honchos commenting on the victory.
Well, I think it is good because the relations between India and America under the Obama presidency have been good, and the continuity, I think, will be good for India. And we only hope now that in the next 2 months, President Obama is able to overcome the fiscal cliff. So he has about 2 months to do it. And if that is done, I think the US economy will recover strongly, and that will help India also.
And so on the outsourcing part, do you think that will continue to be a...
That's usually electoral rhetoric. And after the election, it doesn't become an important topic. If you remember last time also when Obama was running, it came up a lot during the elections. But after the election, things were quite well, and our IT and BPO sectors did quite well. And I think they'll continue to do well.
So I'm personally delighted, and I think it's good for India. The only reservation on him vis-a-vis Romney was on outsourcing, things like that. He's more protectionist than the Republicans and Romney. But barring that, which partly was electoral rhetoric, I think everything else, I'm very happy.
I think, there are positive signs. I think there are green shoots in the American economy. And I do believe that a lot of this had to do with Obama coming back. I think much contrary to what the Republicans were kind of talking about, I think in the end, it were these recovery signs which also helped Obama with tailwinds.
I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate President Obama, and I think that the process that we have started over the last decade or so will continue unfolding economically and politically. India and the US are working together on many fronts, and we will continue to do so.
All right, all those big reactions coming in on the sidelines of the World Economic Forum, and just to mention, we will be going across to the World Economic Forum, getting you more corporate voices from there just in a little bit.